Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem that you're probably going to run into if you use UpBG, Range, or any of the Blender game engines that use margin. Now, to fix this problem where your character just doesn't want to be on the level, he wants to fly above the level. To fix this problem, it's very simple. Okay, so I've got my level and I've got my object. Now, the object, which is the level here, which is the sand he was running on, it is a group object. Now, the reason I have it as a group object is because this trick doesn't work otherwise, because I have it in another scene. And the trick is, if you have the object in another scene, here it is, and there's the group, this modifier displace works differently. And the way it works is it doesn't move the physics mesh, it only moves the mesh. And so you can use it to offset margin and give yourself a nice margin, not a low amount, because a low amount will make your physics unstable. Okay, so everybody probably knows a little bit about margin, hopefully. You can look it up if you don't. It rounds off your corners the more there is, which makes everything stable because it's like the circle distance thing where it just gets distance and to collide with the object instead of using an exact collision. Pretty much it makes it work. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn that on and show that it makes it work. Go back to here and we're going to play it again. And all I did was I turned on that modifier. It's in a different scene, the object is, and I have it grouped into my level, and it's allowing it to just go ahead and move the mesh part of it without updating the physics. So now my offset of my margin is correct where the physics is, and so my displacement is properly only moving the mesh. And I could probably do this with like code or something, but this makes it really easy. And this method works except for maybe if you're having it on a wall or something, because when your train changes, when your train like bends, because it's using a displacement, so if your train is like a circle, it will be harder to measure it outright, so your character is exactly right. But that's it, and thanks for watching, and happy blending.